Okay, good day to all grade 7 students. In this video lesson, we are going to tackle now the activity 4, keep it cold, under the topic of Unit 3, Module 5, wherein about heat. So, activity 4, keep it cold. So far, you have learned that heat can be transferred by conduction and convection. In each method, a material, either a solid or a liquid or gas, is required. But can heat also transfer even without the material or vacuum? If we stay under the sun for a while, we do not feel warm. But how does the heat from this very distant object reach the surface of the earth? The transfer of energy from the sun across nearly empty space, or the vacuum, is made possible by radiation. Radiation takes place even in the absence of material. So meaning ang radiation po, it does not require medium or yung dadaanan in order to transmit. So do you know that all objects, even ordinary ones, give off heat into the surrounding by radiation? Yes, and that includes us, our body. But why don't we feel it? We do not feel this radiation because we are normally surrounded by other objects of the same temperature. We can only feel it if we happen to stand between objects that have different temperature. For example, if we stand near a lighted bulb, a burning object, or stay under the sun. All objects emit and absorb radiation, although some objects are better off at emitting or absorbing radiation than others. Try out this next activity for you to find out. In this activity, you will determine how different surfaces of the object affect its ability to absorb heat. So, one hot sunny day, Kobe and Mumble walked into a tea shop and each asked for an order of iced milk tea for takeout. The crew told them as part of their promo, their customers can choose the color of the tumbler they want to use, pointing to the array of containers made of the same materials but are of different colors and textures. Kobe favored the container with a dull black surface, saying that the milk tea will stay colder if it is placed in a black container. Mumble remarked that the tea would stay even cooler if it is in the container with bright, shiny surface. So, the prediction, if you were in their situation, which container do you think will keep the iced milk tea cooler longer? In your choice. So, assuming an initial temperature of 5 degrees Celsius, predict the possible temperatures of the milk tea in each container after 5, 10, 15, and 20 minutes. Assume that containers are covered. So, you may now record your prediction in this table. So, in order this prediction, kumbaga hindi lang ito basta prediction, this is your own hypothesis based on the previous lessons. So, you may now put your hypothesis in this table. So, task, you're going to design a laboratory activity that will enable you to test your prediction. Hinulaan mo ay yung mas dark ang color ng tumbler, ang mas matagal lumamig. So, you're going to test your hypothesis or your prediction by doing an experiment. Because, as a scientist, in order to check the validity of the hypothesis, you need to conduct experiment or investigation. See to it that you will conduct a fair investigation. Start by answering the questions below. So, what problem are you going to solve? Or the testable question, you're going to state a problem. So, what are you going to vary? Or what are the variable, the independent variable? So, what are you not going to vary, or the controlled variable? So, what are you going to measure, dependent variables? Okay, write down your step-by-step procedure. Note that you may use the light from the sun or from the lighted bulb as your source of energy. So, pwede rin kayo gumamit dyan ng thermometer. Para mas masigurado natin yung exact measurement of the temperature. And then, of course, timer. So, kailangan nyo dyan ng timer. Collect your data according to your procedure. Present your data in tabulated form. Analyze your data and answer the following questions. Which container warm up faster? So, which container absorb heat faster? So, which container will keep the milk tea cooler longer? Is your prediction correct? So, will the same container also keep a hot coffee warmer longer than the other? Kanina kasi malamig. Kung mainit naman po ang i-apply, same din kaya na kung tatagal yung malamig, tatagal din kaya yung mainit dun sa pinili natin na kulay. So, this is the sample design. For example, the testable questions. The testable question, which container will keep the temperature of the cold milk tea longer? The independent variable, the surface of the container, dull and black surface of bright and shiny surface. So, yun ang babaguhin natin sa experiment. Yung dalawang gagawin natin na set up. Yung isa, dull and black surface. Ang cover, yun yung isa is bright and shiny surface. So, the controlled variables, the amount of liquid. the amount of light entering the container, the degree of exposure. Dependent variables, the temperature of the liquid inside the container at equal intervals of time. So, pwedeng sample answer natin dyan, dull black container yung mas may maintain niya yung temperature, yung lamig ng milk tea. Sa number 2, pwedeng yan din po ang sample answer natin, the dull black container. And then number 3, bright shiny container. And number 4, no. Kayo na po ang sasagot nito based doon sa actual na experiment na dinesign natin. So kung sa mga previous po ay dati nang nakadesign ng experiment, ang procedure dito, kayo po ang gagawa ng sarili ninyong procedure based doon sa idea ninyo. So heat transfer by radiation. So radiation refers to the emission of electromagnetic waves which carry energy away from the surface of the emitting body or object. In this process, no particles are involved, unlike in the process of conduction and convection. This is why radiation can take place even in vacuum. Yun po ang pagiging unique nitong radiation. So may tatlo po tayong method of heat transfer or energy transfer. We have the conduction, convection, and then number 3 is radiation. Conduction po is through direct contact, kagaya ng electricity and other metals. So naman convection is through heated particles of liquid and gases. Ang radiation naman, it does not require the three state of matter, the liquid, solid, gas. Kahit walang material, kaya nga vacuum, kaya niya pong mag-propagate. At ang may kakayanan lang po doon sa previous natin na about waves is only the electromagnetic waves. Yung ibang klaseng waves po, walang kakayanang mag-undergo ng radiation. So all objects emit and absorb radiation, known as thermal or infrared radiation. The amount of radiation emitted depends on the temperature of the emitting object. The hotter an object is, the more infrared radiation it emits. So heat transfer by radiation takes place between objects of different temperatures. With the hotter object emits more energy than it absorbs from the colder object, and the colder object receives more energy than it emits.